नमस्कार. मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग. मी निलिमा कदम, व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर. इयत्ता 8वी मॅथ्स, इंडायसेस अँड क्यूब रूट, घातांक व घनमूळ. मिस्टेक्स आर प्रूफ दॅट यू आर ट्राईंग. बालमित्रांनो, गणित सोडवताना आपल्या बऱ्याच वेळा चुका होतात आणि या चुका होतात म्हणजेच हे सिद्ध होतं की तुम्ही प्रयत्न करत आहात आणि म्हणूनच चुका झाल्या तरी सुद्धा गणित सोडवणं चालू ठेवा, कीप ऑन ट्राईंग. मागील इयत्तांमध्ये आपण घातांक म्हणजे काय व घातांकाचे नियम जे आहेत यांचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. एक नजर टाकूया. If m and n are integers, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. पाया समान आणि गुणाकार तर घातांकांची बेरीज. a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. पाया समान आणि भागाकार असेल तर घातांकांची वजाबाकी केली जाते, मात्र m should be greater than n. If m is लेस दॅन n, m हा n पेक्षा लहान असेल आणि पाया समान भागाकार तर a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus n. a raised to 0 is equal to 1. a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. a upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m, and a raised to m in whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. घातांकांचा गुणाकार. a upon b whole raised to minus a is equal to b upon a raised to n. तर हे घातांकाचे नियम आपण मागील इयत्तांमध्ये अभ्यासलेले आहेत. एक उदाहरण आपण पटकन बघूया. 7 raised to 3 into 11 raised to 3. घातांक समान आहेत, exponents are same, so we will use the rule a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. With the help of that rule, 7 into 11 whole raised to 3 because exponent is same, that is equal to गुणाकार केला आपण कंसातील संख्यांचा 77 raised to 3. Next example, bases are same and multiplication is there. We have to add the exponents. Is equal to 3 raised to 3 plus 7, that is equal to 3 raised to 10. 11 raised to minus 3. जर exponent minus असेल तर तो आपल्याला प्लस करण्यासाठी we have to use the rule 1 upon a raised to m, that is equal to 1 upon 11 raised to 3. आणि कोणत्याही संख्येचा घातांक 0 असेल तर उत्तर 1 असतं. तर ही उदाहरणं आपण मागील इयत्तांमध्ये अभ्यासलेली आहेत. या ठिकाणी हे जे घातांक आहेत, तुम्ही बघितलं घातांक पूर्णांक संख्या आहेत. सगळे घातांक जे आहेत हे काय आहेत? पूर्णांक संख्या आहेत. 77 raised to 3, 3 raised to 10, घातांक 10 आहे, ही पूर्णांक संख्या आहे. They are integers. 11 raised to minus 3, minus 3 is an integer, 0 is an integer. इथे घातांक जे आहेत हे पूर्णांक संख्या आहेत. आता घातांक परिमेय असलेल्या संख्यांचा अर्थ आपण बघणार आहोत. Meaning of numbers with rational indices. आता एखाद्या संख्येचा वर्ग दाखविण्यासाठी तिचा घातांक आपण 2 घेतो. To show the square of a number, the index is written as 2. We write exponent as 2, and to show the square root of a number, the index is written as half. See here, for example, square root of 25 is written as under square root 25. That is with the help of radical sign. Or in index form, we can write it as 25 raised to 1 upon 2. Square root of 144 is written as with the help of radical sign. We use under square. This is the radical sign So with this sign we write it as square root of 144. But if you want to write it in index form, we write it as 144 raised to 1 upon 2. The square of a can be written as a square, and square root of a is written as square root of a or a raised to half. Okay. Similarly, the cube of a is written as a cube. This is a raised to 3. A cube, that is a raised to 3. And cube root of a is written as, this is the radical sign. In the radical sign we write it here a, and 3 we have to write it here only. That is cube root of a, or in index form we write it as a raised to 1 upon 3. A raised to 1 upon 3. So, a चे nवे मूळ, nth root of a is written as a raised to 1 upon n. A raised to 1 upon n. For example, see x raised to 1 upon 3. This is in index form. We write it with the radical sign cube root of x. X raised to 1 upon 4 index form. In the with the help of this radical sign, कर्णी चिन्हाच्या सहाय्याने आपण कसं लिहिलं, x चं चौथे मूळ, fourth root of x. 81 raised to 1 upon 4, so fourth root of 81, that is equal to 3. X raised to 1 upon 5, fifth root of x. 27 raised to 1 upon 3, this is the index form, and this is a, with the help of radical sign we write it as cube root of 27. So आपल्याला आता express the following numbers in the index form. Index form मध्ये आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे 81 चे घनमूळ, cube root of 81. So with the help of radical sign we write it as cube root of 81, or in index form 81 raised to 1 upon 3. Fourth root of 16, that is with radical sign, this is in index form 16 raised to 1 upon 4. Sixth root of 64 with the radical sign, and in index form 64 raised to 1 upon 6. So this is the way we write it in with the help of radical sign and in the index form. So seventh root of 13, or 13 raised to 1 upon 7. Eighth root of 100, that is with radical sign and in index form. Now power of the root we have to write 324 raised to half, that is the number in the denominator denotes root. Remember, number in the denominator. Now here 2 is there in the denominator, so square root of 324. Here 4 is in the denominator, so fourth root of 81. 9 in the denominator, so ninth root of 512. And 3 is, we call it as cube, so cube root of 27. So dear students, remember, the number in the denominator indicates root of that number. So dear friends, काही गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्यात. Cube of that number means the number multiplied itself by 3 times. There are only 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. Cubes of even numbers are even, and cubes of odd numbers are odd. Cube of a negative number is always negative. If the digit in one's place of a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then its cube will end in the same digit. If the digit in one's place of a number is 2, then its cube will end in 8 and vice versa. And if the digit in one's place of a number is 3, then its cube will end in 7 and vice versa. and remember the denominator of the rational exponent is the root. Thank you.